Hello, let's learn how to fit EverBest shopping trolley bag. Step 1 is to remove the safety caps. Step 2 is to fit the wheels inside in the frame. Just hold the rod from here and push this wheel inside this rod. It is fitted with the sound of click. Same process here also. Now push from both sides. It is fitted. Kindly check that if it is not coming out. Now stretch or unfold the frame. Put this latch inside this rod. It is fitted. This is the bag. Put this bag inside this frame. This area will go inside it. This is the neck. We'll fit the neck of this Velcro. Kindly check that if it is ready or not.